Hi fam. Mornings. For some they are rough and they can be worse, but I'm grateful for today. But wait, is that a cyst? Okay. This is a new level of not great, but I'll be fine. Cool. Just what I needed to start my day. An instant mood killer on my face. Well, it's all part of being a woman. The special events, the continuous knowledge, and all the awareness of what could happen to you as a woman or a man, because hormonal acne affects men too. But hey, at least I have the cure and some patience, right? Okay, let me grab my cup of herbal tea. In here, I have some hormone balancing herbs suitable for my current phase in cycle. I have ashwagandha, white peony, calendula, vitex, and dandelion. My intention for this combination is for the cystic acne to heal, my liver to detoxify better, and my body to be able to detoxify any excess hormone such as estrogen or androgen, while also balancing my estrogen and progesterone ratios, since during the flow phase, the two of them could be fighting for who will take over what, which eventually leads to hormonal imbalances. So, the herbs mentioned are generally safe and good for our hormones, but for this herbal tea mix, you don't have to copy and paste exactly the herbs I use because our bodies are different. However, you can get personalized guidance, maybe in our community platform, or ask your naturopath to give you your suitable combination based on your hormone levels, or you can also ask in the comment section. Okay, back to this my cystic acne. So I don't think I want to apply anything on these cysts topically. I will just allow the herbs to do their work. Be intentional with rest, keep up with my facial hygiene practices of gentle washing and pat drying with a clean face towel. I won't apply any makeup for now, but if I want to go out, I might just use a face cap if I feel the cystic acne could draw unnecessary attention to me. Do you think it's necessary I apply topical products on the acne? Tell me in the comment section. If you want an update on how the herbs performed on the acne and my general health, then let me know so I can upload an update video. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.